Hi students, good morning. This is Raji ma'am, your science 1 teacher. I hope you are all fine and safe. Okay students, in last class we studied telescope. What is telescope? Telescope is an optical instrument. It is used to see distant objects. Then what are the types of telescope? There are two types of telescope. One is reflecting telescope, another one is refracting telescope. What is the reflecting telescope? The reflecting telescope is made up of parabolic mirror. Then what is refracting telescope? The refracting telescope is made up of lenses. Okay, and we studied advantages and disadvantages of telescope. Then who invented the first telescope? Who invented the first telescope? The answer is Johann Lippershey. The answer is Johann Lippershey. So in this class, I am going to continue the same lesson, Unit 2, Optics. Here I have some object. How we can see this object? We all know that we are able to see object with the help of our eyes. Because human eyes are most valuable and sensitive organs responsible for vision. So in this class I am going to teach about human eye. So in this class I am going to teach about human eye. So from this topic we are going to learn structure and working of the eye, power of accommodation, persistence of vision and defects in eye. Look at this picture. This is human eye. So without human eye we can't able to see any object. So human eye is an most valuable and sensitive organ. The human eye is an most valuable and sensitive organ in our body. The human eye consists of many parts. For example, see this picture. The human eye consists of lens, cornea, iris, pupil and sclera, retina and optical nerve. So in this class we are going to learn the structure of eye. Let's move to the topic, structure of eye. See the first paragraph. The eyeball is approximately spherical in shape with a diameter of about 2.3 centimeter. It consists of a tough membrane called sclera which protect the internal parts of eye. Look at this picture. This is eyeball. So what is the shape of this eyeball? Yes, that is spherical shape. So eyeball is spherical shape and the diameter of eyeball is 2.3 centimeter. What is the diameter of eyeball? The answer is 2.3 centimeter and it consists of a tough membrane. It consists of tough membrane that is called sclera. If the eyeball is consist of tough membrane, that is called sclera. Then what is the function of sclera? The sclera is give the protection of the internal parts of the eye. The sclera is give the protection of internal parts of human eye. So what is the shape of eyeball? The answer is spherical shape. Then what is the diameter of eyeball? Yes, the answer is 2.3 centimeter. The next one, it consists of a dash. The eyeball is consist of tough membrane that is called sclera. And then what is the function of sclera? It gives the protection of internal parts of human eye. Okay. So eyeball is in spherical shape and the diameter of eyeball is 2.3 centimeter An eyeball is consist of tough membrane that is called sclera. Then what is the function of sclera? The sclera is give the protection of the internal parts of human eye.